Hi friends, Miss K here. Happy first day of spring. I've been spending a lot of time outside today because it feels so great outside. So I've been doing some reading and enjoying some snacks. And as I was eating my cookie, I remembered that I have a book at home by Mo Willems called The Duckling Gets a Cookie. So while I'm enjoying my cookie snack, I'm going to read this story to you. And thanks so much to Mo Willems for letting us read his stories while we're out of school. The duckling gets a cookie? Think about the pigeon stories that we've read by Mo Willems. Does the pigeon ever get things? Hello! May I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. Right now, I'm asking why. I've asked for a walrus. Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug, or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for things on my own personal iceberg. I ask to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? No! How do you think Pigeon is feeling right now? Look at his eye. I think I know how Pigeon is feeling. It's not fair. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. What? You're giving me that cookie? With the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Chomp. That is one cool duckling. Chomp. Yes, sir. Hi. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. The end. What's something that you can share with someone today, friends? Have a great day. Miss you. See you soon.